Today, I will talk about easy and efficient navigation within Odoo. Within Odoo, you can see the various applications you have access to, and you can very easily and efficiently go to different applications such as the sales module if you want. When you want to go to inventory, for example, you can simply and easily navigate through to inventory and straightforwardly. Of course, you use some applications more often than others. You can easily drag them to the front. And then you have the most important applications that are very important for you listed. And then you can very easily and quickly find them. Within an application, you naturally have a menu to access different items. For example, if you go to products, the product screen comes up very easily. Products also come up, such as, for instance, in purchasing. So you can always easily find the menus you need within an app to fully, effectively, and efficiently operate within that functionality. For example, if you see this tangle of various products and you want to bring some structure to it, one way to start structuring it is by using a list view to effectively and clearly organize the items. Then you have everything neatly in a list, and in that list view, I can also group based on product category. Then you can see all the products neatly organized in all the different categories, and you can also open them. Now, that categorization also works within the Kanban view, giving you a neat overview of all your products. If you say, well, I find this view indeed very enjoyable, and I actually desire to have it every single time I start up this application. What you can do then is simply, easily, and quickly click on that arrow and just save the current search simply and conveniently. You can set that specific filter as a default option. Whenever I navigate back to open my sales dashboard and have my products, I will return to that same view. This helps streamline your workflow and ensures efficiency. Within that menu, you also have a lot of filter options. There are several standard filters, so you can, for example, filter all products or all services. But you can also create your own custom filter. Well, that's really very fascinating and incredibly intriguing, and you can absolutely filter on all fields that are related to a product. You can also have a derived field, for example, in a product category, or whether something still has a parent or not. You can select all of that. Play around with this because it's a really fun feature, but you just need to explore it yourself. Another nice feature within Odoo is that you can simply start typing with a letter. So if I simply go back to my products, I just type in products, and then I see everywhere that Pro from products appears. And with a quick click, I'm back exactly where I was quickly. That is an extremely handy functionality within Odoo. Another incredibly useful and especially helpful feature for quickly navigating through Odoo is, for example, the Control or Alt key. When you press the Control or Alt key, you will get various shortcuts, such as, for example, and other useful functions. So when I am working on an order and I have added a few products, I say Command Q, and then the order is confirmed. Then you can quickly and efficiently navigate through the system in a seamless manner with just a few clicks. Another important aspect within Odoo is the top section of the interface. Specifically, in the menu bar located here, you will find your messages. We will explore this in more detail. Well, all kinds of messages, both internal and external, that cover various types of different and diverse and interesting topics in which you are tagged. I always find it absolutely beneficial indeed to have these cleared out by the end of the day, so you are completely up to date with everything happening in Odoo. For the rest, you have the activities. You can set activities anywhere. So for example, if I set an activity here, I want to follow up on the status of this order after some time to ensure everything is in order. Could you provide me with an update on the current progress? And then I can say here, I want to follow up on this, for example, next Monday. And then I can schedule it. So I get an action here. What you see here are the actions that are indeed overdue. For a specific product, we had a particular action planned, and you can clearly see that it is indeed overdue. There is something going on with that product, so it is also useful to keep it as clean as possible. Therefore, these two are important in that regard. Another extremely useful and convenient feature within the navigation system of Hadoop, you will find that when you click on your account here, you can easily click on My Profile. Here you can make several settings, such as the language in which you want to see Odoo. This can, of course, only be done for the installed languages. Only the English language is installed here, but you can also configure your time zone and email signature. If you have any more questions about how to use Odoo easily, I would definitely love to hear them.